be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew.
Naman yan, guys. O, yan. Sobrang relaxing yan, guys. Kahit maupo ka lang, marirelax ka na. O, anong sabi niyan? Lakas makaya yaman. Sa part na to, guys, sa gawin ng fountain, dito nila dinaraos yung reception ng kasal nila. Nakaka-refresh dito, guys. Mawawala ang stress mo. O, guys, sa bandang taas yan, guys. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Pwede pa kayong tumambay dyan. Parang bakasyonan lang, guys. Anong sabi? May security guard pa. O, kawal. O, sa mahilig mag-eme-eme at mag-inarte. O, ayan, guys. Kita nyo naman. Paakyat na daw ako puno. O, diba? Ganda ng view dyan, guys. Di ka magsisisi talaga. Sulit ang 150. Kaso lang, guys, nakakapagod maglibot. O, diba? So pretty. Sobrang ganda talaga dito, guys. Kakaiba talaga yung design ng lugar. O, diba?